Hello, top of the morning to you. Happy Sunday. Come on, boys. So, I did go in here about 15 minutes ago and check it. On the hot, there was a bead of water, so I tightened this a smidge, and I think it's good. I don't see anything there. Everything else is dry. Woohoo! I did run this dehumidifier last night, and it got everything nice and dry. The drywall, actually, there's still a little bit of moisture right there, so I'm gonna let this keep running. Update video. So, I just turned off the water to the water heater, hot and cold, and these are still off. These are the flush valves. They're currently in the off position, but I'm going ahead and screwing on these hoses. I've got one attached to a sump pump and then one that'll be able to cycle it through. So I got the dehumidifier running just to dry it out, and I'm about ready to flush this out. I have to unplug and I got to turn off the gas. I guess I'll do that now. It's kind of hard to turn off the gas. I could do it. It's a 1/4 inch turn. My friend Adam told me it was a 1/4 inch turn, but it's a hard little bee. It's gonna at least turn off the heat to the house. So that's gas. Turn that off. I'm gonna go and try to turn this off again. With a little bit more power. Not man power. Woman power. Just power. Fucking human power. God damn. So this is what got turned. Oh, there you go. Not too hard. Just needed the right leverage. Oh, it keeps going though. Guess that means off. Okay. Alrighty. Thought I smelled gas, but that might have just been the vent. It was above me. YouTube University taught me to put a sock. It was a comment that actually, he's a plumber, and he said he puts a sock at the end of the hose so that it catches all the sediment and you don't keep running it through the system. I was like, hey, that's smart. This is plugged in, but it's not running, which is good. Set out of the way. A little nervous, but I don't think I have any reason to be, so just because it's a new thing. All these new things. But I don't mind it. Go ahead and pour the vinegar. They suggest you use a 5-gallon bucket, but I didn't have a clean one, and so I had a stainless steel bowl that worked. This is a brand new sump pump. I haven't used it for anything else. These are brand new hoses. These I'll keep in a kit for this specific thing that I'll do once a year. Which is flush my water heater. Flush it out. It's foaming. Cool. Alright, check it out. Here's a redneck Asian way to flush the system. It's only redneck Asian because I'm part redneck, part Asian. But I'm hearing it. So it's gonna keep flushing. And this sock's supposed to act as a filter so that it'll catch any sediment. And I'll definitely show what we got going on there. Now this is leaking a smidge at this joint. I took this washer off. Let me actually just try to fix that real quick. I don't love that efficiency aspect. Turn off the pump. I added the washer back to this and hand tightened it. It's a kind that for if you over tighten it just loosens. So let's see if I did it right. how you jimmy rig your pumpity. Whoop. There you go. And the washer did its job. It is not leaking. All right, Kirky. Good job, Redneck Asian. Okay, so I'm gonna run this for an hour. It's been running. Alrighty. Not too bad. I'm gonna empty that sock out and see what's going on. Also, checking this out, because I cleaned this filter, this inlet filter last night, and there was a very small amount of sediment, especially for the amount of time it has been unmaintained. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if that means Nashville city water is clean or what, but let's check it out now that it's been... Okay, so it did get some good gunk in there. Let's go ahead and rinse it out. And then I need my scrubby. All right, now just flushing the clean water through this. So I got all the vinegar. I'm running water through the sump pump to clean out the vinegar, and I'm running water through all the hoses to preserve their lives. Yeah. I am repurposing these fittings that I cut off with the heat gun, utility knife, and that, and precision. Patience and precision. So now I can reuse these in a different project. Go in the plumbing toolkit.